Baltic truck driver license DE2 Embark 1377 for Italian flagships with social security net 3,200 euro. All included, these ships have 67,000 tons. They have 220 length meters, so you can imagine the garage on board these ships, how big it is, and therefore if we're planning about 200 trucks across to plan operations on board, it's very important to coordinate with shore, because every 72 hours we are touching the port and we need to really make a very fast embark, disembark of the 200 trucks on off. So it's very important that you have basic Italian. We have the manual, so you study also. It is the most happiest people on board, which is Italian, very good professionals, smiling, so we live much longer. If you are in the Baltic winter now, go down from Barcelona to Italy, 72 hours voyages. These ships go 25 knots, very fast, so it is very important to have very good truck drivers. Why Baltic? You see, in Spain, to get these 3 courses, it takes 1,700 euros and 3 different courses, queues and fill this paper, fill that paper. You see, that's why we don't have truck drivers, we don't have doctors, we don't have nurses. You see, the education system is like, before there was an education system, you know, and still is like that. So, anyways, therefore, that's why also in Novi Contas, for example, we have negotiated this basic training and firefighting course with 3 days, really intensive, 400 euros, or was it 4 days, 300, I don't recall, but anyways, much more competitive. One go you get that, so it's very important. License DE, an Italian basic language, Italian food, Italian contract, 3,200 euros plus social security. If you know of any truck schools and so, please think about it, because in order to get 3,000 euros net in the Baltic states, you need to get some 7,000 because of tax. So please apply now, like and subscribe. If you know of someone, tell them, and you need to know a little bit Italian. If you have the Codiche Fiscale, fiscal code, you see it's very complicated. Italian is Codice Fiscale, fiscal code. Then, if you have that number via the consulate, Lithuania, General Consulate, very good, 1 week you can get it. In Spain is about 1 month also. You see, everything you try to do in Spain, oof, you need to fill a paper somewhere, who knows, where is the paper? Anyway, take this opportunity and get the job and apply urgently, because we're looking about some like 50 truck drivers. Thank you, bye.